everyone, I'm Mona. I'm the girl behind the lens at Ocean View Escapes, and welcome to my first video. So in this video, I just kind of wanted to introduce myself and let you guys know why I decided to start Ocean View Escapes and give you an idea of what to expect from me here. And I'll also be showing you what I'm going to be packing in my travel bag for when I go on my cruise in 2 weeks time. So thanks for following along with Ocean View Escapes. I can't wait to show you guys some of my future trips that I'm planning. Oh, look who decided to join us. My little monkey. There she is. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Kiss, kiss. Oh, I love you. Anyway, so I will be showing you guys what I get up to on my cruise. This is my second cruise ever, so I have a little bit of an idea of what it's like, what things I should be packing, but it's gonna be a different cruise line altogether, so it should be interesting to see the differences. But anyway, so thank you for following along with Ocean View Escapes. I can't wait to showcase more resorts and hotels for you guys, letting you know the best features, some wow factors, and some recommendations with you guys. So thank you for tuning in. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I will be doing a lot more stories and showing you guys around our different trips. Anyway, next time I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be packing in my travel bag, and it'll be a collection of all the things that I bring with me in my backpack or tote to the airport, some essentials, things that I like to have with me on the airplane. So say bye-bye. Bye. I love you. Mwah. Thank you. All right, everyone, we are back, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fit all of these lovely items into my nice trusty backpack. And do you think I could fit her in there too? My puppy, you're so sweet. Okay, so let's start. So I guess I'll start over here. I always love to pack with me an outfit to change into when I get down to, let's say for this example, a tropical resort to change into right away if we don't get our room right away, just so I have something comfy that I can throw on and that I'm not too hot and sweaty. Excuse me, Missy. And also I love to pack a pair of flip-flops that I can, again, just throw on as soon as I get to the airport. Everybody wants to get out of their shoes, especially if they're in the cold Canadian winter, and just change into something that feels more appropriate for some tropical destination. So these are definitely my faves. Next, to avoid being super bored on the flight, I will pack a couple of different things. So my nice little iPad mini here that I've got actually needs to be charged. A really good book, depending on if I'm feeling like reading that day or just playing some games on my iPad. Puppy, you're not helping here, okay? Do you want to go see Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go see Daddy. And of course, cannot forget a charging cable and my AirPods to listen to some tunes, and of course, just in case, we got a portable power pack, which comes in really handy. And actually, this one is really good. It charges my phone at least very, very fast. So that's a must for me. So these are all the entertainment items that I will bring with me. All right. Also, cannot forget to pack a pair of sunglasses, because as soon as you land in your tropical destination, you're gonna be squinting, unless of course you get there at night, but you know what I'm saying. So I love to pack 1 or 2 pairs of sunglasses at least, in case one of them gets lost or scratched. And I love packing like a really sturdy case. I got this little travel document organizer from Chapters Indigo, which is really great. Comes in very handy for organizing all of your travel documents. And yeah, you can put your boarding pass here in the front. I've got my passport in there. What else have we got? Luggage tickets, cash, other travel documents, keeps them all organized and in one spot. You just pull it out and get what you need. Now, some of the other little things that I pack with me just to make sure I'm comfortable on the flight are these things here. So I always like to bring with me a pack of wet ones or wet wipes. No, that's not for you to eat. So I can wipe down my seat as soon as I get onto the plane. Anytime my hands feel a little dirty and I can't get to a sink right away, comes in very, very handy. Also, of course, some hand sanitizer because you do want to stay healthy on these flights. Puppy, no. Most of these items that I've got right here, this area, I'm going to try to fit into my clear little pouch here because some of them will have liquids, so I just want to be able to pull that out when I'm going through customs easily. Some hand cream. This one is one that I absolutely love. It doesn't have a super strong smell. At first it's a little bit minty, but it goes away really quickly and absorbs super well. So need. In here, I've just put a couple of painkillers like Advil, Tylenol, which comes in very handy. You never know if you're gonna get a headache or whatnot. So I always pack a couple with me. Just some regular old chewing gum, floss, a nice little compact mirror. That'll go in there. I feel like every time I don't pack a mirror is when I need a mirror really bad, so. And this, honestly, I am obsessed with Lanolips. So it is a 101 treatment. So it has 101 uses, and I love packing this with me everywhere that I go. I literally have one in every single bag. You can use it on your lips. It's very moisturizing, on your cuticles, any dry skin that you have, very emollient. Here's another really random item, but I got this recommendation from The Blonde Abroad. I'm not sure if you know her. She's an amazing travel blogger. She recommended packing some deodorant wipes as opposed to an actual deodorant. And these are great. They smell amazing. You can just throw them in your bag and it's a quick little refresher when you're traveling. Just take it with you to the bathroom with your bag. I love these and the smell is really, really good. Coconut, milk, and pineapple. That's basically it when it comes to just random little toiletries and items like that. Also, I love to pack a pen with me because oftentimes you will have to sign documents on the plane. But that's basically it. Covers most of my necessities. And this bag right here is really great. It has a ton of compartments. It has the drink sleeves on the side, has a laptop sleeve here in the back, and very spacious and roomy. Love it. So I'll be putting everything in there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, make sure you don't forget to bring a refillable water bottle. This one looks like it's been through a couple of trips, if you can tell. This is a S'well bottle, so I'm sure everybody has seen one somewhere, but it's very good. Very good for keeping things warm or hot or cold. So definitely recommend one of these. Let me see if I can load everything up here into my backpack, show you the final result. But yeah, that's basically it. So catch up with you in just a second. Alright, so that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will follow along with us, so don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from Ocean View Escapes and more packing tips and trip ideas in the future. And let me know in the comments down below what kind of a bag you like to bring with you and any essentials that I might have missed, and also what things that you have to pack with you when you are traveling down south for a beach vacation. All right, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Can you say bye, Penny? Bye, Penny. Bye. Bye, puppy, puppy, puppy.